Let's meet at the Cafe the Park.
Option C.
How did your train ticket cost?
Option A.
My brother his teeth 3 times a day.
Option C.
Sorry, I can't talk now. I for my test.
Option B.
There aren't chairs in the meeting room.
Option B.
We had a great time at the concert last Saturday.
Option B.
This isn't my jacket, it's...
Option B.
Please the window, it's very cold outside.
Option A.
The red dress is then the blue one.
Option B.
If the weather is nice, we a picnic.
Option B.
My key. Can you help me look for it?
Option C.
She is a great musician.
Option B.
He isn't strong to lift that heavy box.
Option A.
My sister to be a pilot when she grows up.
Option B.
You walk on the grass in the park.
Option A.